Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take this yellow table runner out and we're going to replace it with a Buffalo Plaid one. I'll be putting out my fall decor soon and I wanted something less summer and more fall, so keep watching. What you'll need is another tablecloth just like the one we did in my last video. You can get them on Amazon for $11. You'll need some hot glue sticks, some scissors, doesn't matter the size, and you'll need your hot glue gun. Here I am just using my previous table runner to kind of measure how I want my new table runner to be, you know, the length and then the width as well. When you lay it down, you will want to do about one line of squares bigger. You can do a couple lines of squares bigger, but just make sure that you're using your squares as your guide. This will help you so you don't have to measure. And then once you get everything lined out, you're going to cut it. And then you'll start hot gluing the edges, and I'll show you how that's done also. I just wanted to add that this is the same tablecloth that I was using previously for the outdoor mat. So make sure that you're recycling. If you have a lot of fabric left over, just use that because it's totally going to save you a ton of money. I've gotten 3 projects out of it so far. Sasha likes to be the center of attention, so she thought she'd say hi for this video. All right, now we're ready to glue. So we're going to make sure that our hot glue gun is hot. We're going to take the hot glue and we're going to put it down one of our lines of squares. We're going to fold it over until it matches perfectly. My cuts are not perfect, so what I'm using as my guide is the bottom of the square row and not the top where I cut it, because if I use the top where I cut it, my line is going to be off. So just make sure that you're eyeballing it to the best of your ability so that your lines are even, because when you put it on the table, you're really going to notice if it's crooked or wavy or just not looking right. And this is the finished project. It took me less than 5 minutes. The longest part was cutting out the fabric. Also, my mom makes these super cute buffalo plaid pumpkins, and I wanted to show those off as well. They're not going to stay here. They'll be decorated just a little bit differently when I bring out my fall stuff, but I wanted to share how cute they were and how well they matched the accents in my home. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.